Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Selected and installed correctly, the garden door not only focuses on the architectural style of the house, but the design of the garden should be in line with the fence and the landscaping of the garden. This largely determines its appearance. With the modest wooden structure, with strict lines and extravagant design, beautiful and pleasing to the eye, and input controls access to their property. This is an obstacle in front of strangers and solemnly welcomed your guests for the first time actually getting to the owner. You can have a garden gate in place of the court as a barrier between two areas of different garden and separate from each other in this way. This happens very often between vegetables and flower garden. For example, a large hidden door hinges impressive masonry wall will be expressive of outer space and define each area there. The doors can be solid or perforated, depends on the distance you want to open the privacy for people in the street, and vice versa if you want to allow a peek into your garden. Very popular are the network ports, block the space but does not interfere with the view. Passers-by can take a look at the beautiful garden and enjoy the scenery, and owners can monitor what is happening outside of the fence from them. In reality, however, many homeowners are trying lately to better protect their homes from prying eyes. Fences doors can be made not only of metal but also plastic or wood. If you're looking for a door for your company or suburban villa, in this case, a simple wooden door is ideal for this. It fits perfectly into the landscape green barrier between circumcised and white ornate masonry shrubs. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. Check out these creative and unusual ideas for a garden bench and get inspired for designing your own. The outdoor area is practically important and often underestimated. Actually, the front yard is the first thing that is seen by your guests as they cross the entrance. Therefore, you should decorate the outdoor area with practical care and with much love for detail. The garden bench is an important part of the exterior. Exterior furniture can be just as functional as the interior furnishing. It should be carefully selected so that it makes a good first impression. The seating should be definitely practical and also very stylish. This furniture has a practical use, but also can be used as a decorative element. There are many seat designs which are made from different materials. If you want to have your garden bench in a classic style, but still attract attention, you may choose a piece from wood with unusual shapes, for example, a curved wooden piece. If you like the natural, get a seating in a classic brown. Ultimately, it's not just about looks, but also about comfort. Make sure that your extravagant seating also has a practical value. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. If you want to integrate a visual appealing element to your garden, then you might want to consider the construction of a stone fontaine. Fontaine garden stone can enhance the look of your garden and have a relaxing effect. Many people find the sound of water on the stones reassuring. It also works well with other natural sounds such as birdsong. Check out these great ideas for ornamental stone fontaine and find inspiration for your own project. You can easily build a stone fontaine garden itself. It's made up of a tube of bamboo or metal, stone sink, and a pump for closed circuit. Garden fontaines are available in all shapes and sizes. They also have different styles and designs. A fontaine bamboo is an ideal solution for a Japanese-style garden. Install it on a stable base of gravel. This prevents suggestions fontaine heavy when the ground gives way under humid rain. This foundation ensures that your garden fontaine will last for many years in your landscape. Over time, dirt, moss, or algae can form that can emphasize its natural appearance. If the stone basin is all green with moss, it fits more to the landscape. This does not mean that there is no need to clean and maintain the garden fontaine. Clean it at least every 3 months for it to work properly. Fontaine pump must be displayed regularly. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.